Hello smart viewers, how are you today? Welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'm going to tell you a story again. It is the continuation of our last story about Frank Mitchum, the prisoner. After this story, I'm going to ask some questions about it. You should try to understand and listen to me carefully. While this story is also related to the use of to be in simple present tense and simple past tense and how to use them in daily conversation or in story. Please listen to me carefully. It is 10:30 now. Frank Mitchum is in Washington Square Park, but he is free now. That's why he is smiling. He is smiling because he is free. Harry and Lucky Jones are in the park too. They were outside the prison at 9 o'clock this morning. Okay, now try to answer my questions. Question number 1. Is it 9 o'clock in the morning or is it 10:30 in the morning? The second question, is Frank Mitchum in prison now? Where is he now? Where was he at 9 o'clock this morning? Is he happy now? Is he smiling? Why is he smiling? Well, next question. Are Lucky Jones and Harry Gilmore in the park too? Then, where were they at 9 o'clock this morning? Were they outside the prison or were they in prison? Well, the last question. Are they talking to Frank Mitchum? Alright. Well, I hope that this video is very useful for you. And if you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.